Hey guys, Matt here. Welcome back to the channel. It's a cold night here in Missouri. Gonna get down to 9 degrees by about 5 o'clock in the morning. I am out here just on my property, just in case things get bad. I need to bail. I got my fire. I got a lot of firewood inside my tent. I got my zero bag. I got hand warmers, and I'm gonna try to stay out all damn night, guys. All right, guys. Well, I'm finally in the tent. Let you guys look around. I've got plenty of firewood stored inside. I do have my cooking stove, which I'm not going to use in the tent. So I got a light up here, and I've got the fire. I'll explain more about this fire here pretty soon. We're supposed to get some snow starting around 9 to 10 o'clock, I believe, if not before midnight. And it's going to get bad. And I'm going to eat. I'm going to hang out. I'm not going to ghost hunt in this video. This video is just mainly about staying warm and surviving. All right, so I'm actually storing a lot of my firewood inside. I got my hatchet, I've got some kindling, some tinder. I've got some small pieces in case it does start snowing. I'll have dry firewood. Now, what I wanted to kind of explain is this piece of tin over the top, it can pop the smoke out the back, but it's also pushing a lot of heat inside right now. And that's just, pretty small fire, so compared to the temp, it's not that bad inside the tent. Yeah, it's cold, you can see my breath, but I do have a tarp, as you guys can see, and then I have the tarp on the outside of the tent. So let's see what the weather does, guys. All right, guys, so here's the current time and temp. Yeah, it's pretty cold. I'm actually laying inside my fall bag. I haven't got inside my zero bag. Now, if you guys can see over here, I actually did bring my other, well, it's my 10-degree bag if things do get worse. Now, let you guys see a little secret. When you camp, hand warmers cost you like $9 for this bag through Walmart online. No, I'm not sponsored. I just believe in letting you guys know about good stuff. I throw about one hand warmer down by my feet, and then I put one about my knees, and then I put one through my stomach, and then I put one up through here. And like that video I did where it got down to like 13 degrees that night, I actually had hand warmers inside my sleeping bag. I woke up one time, it was about 3:30 I think in the morning, and I had to pee, and it was so warm inside that bag, I didn't want to get out. I am pretty glad to be able to be doing this and bring you guys this side of the channel. It's just something I've always wanted to do. I'm actually getting a hot tent or an insulated tent that has a stove port where I could actually have a stove inside the tent. If you guys watch Outdoor Boys, Steve Wallace, you'll see those. And Robert's going to start camping with me a little more. Not in weather like this, but I'm actually testing out his 0-degree bag tonight, and hopefully it goes pretty good. But yeah, just as I was getting cold, I was just in here on top of my sleeping bag, and I got inside. I'm hanging out, just kind of enjoying the fire outside, listening to it. it is supposed to start snowing later tonight, and I'm just going to keep on staying out here no matter what. So, or I don't know, guys. It's really fun. I love camping. I love this cold weather shit. I got a hammock, and I'm going to be doing some hammock camping in some places this summer too. So, guys, got to make sure you stay tuned for that. All right, guys, it's getting cold. So, let's get some of these going inside the sleeping bag. Kind of messed up and got the small ones. I didn't realize that till now. But I've got plenty of them. Plus, I've got one of the bigger ones right here. And that's what's actually keeping my phone I'm recording on, all my lights, my cell phone, everything is inside the Zero bag. And I'm actually keeping it pretty warm. Now, with the wind blowing outside, it is below 10 right now. I just checked. Whoops. I just checked, and it said that it is 9 degrees out, guys. Now, I'm sure maybe you guys are wondering, yeah, I did bring a little something to drink. Little Canadian Mist, which now I know, so you guys don't say, hey, alcohol. Yeah, I know alcohol doesn't help keep you warm, so that's not why I'm doing it. This is actually like my second drink, and I'm just kind of having it to enjoy myself, I guess. I don't know why I'm explaining this to you guys, but anyway, I'm just showing you guys that I'm actually breaking out the hand warmers. Now, soon, I'm going to be ordering a insulated tent. One with a wood stove poured in it, so I can actually start bringing little man with me, Mr. Handsome. I got both of us 0 degree. You guys, I'm not being weird. You have to shake these to activate them. But I take these. Oh, sorry, I got a little sidetracked. So, yeah, I'm going to be getting an insulated tent here pretty soon with the wood stove. That way, little man can start bringing or joining me on some adventures. I'm sorry, I'm not. I'm just trying to do a video and explain what I'm doing while I'm talking about what I will be doing. All right. So, get these. A lot of my friends have been messaging me tonight. You're crazy. You're insane. Yeah, I am. I'm hoping to kind of like... Ooh, my light just died. I'm hoping to maybe make a name for myself with my YouTube channel, guys. So, if you guys are watching this, hit the like button. Don't cost you nothing. And share this video for me. I could be inside my 72-degree house in my bed playing Grand Theft Auto Online. But instead, I'm shaking up hand warmers so I don't freeze my ass off tonight. Oh, heat. I don't know what that's about, guys. It's actually, yeah, you can see my breath, but I'm wearing the famed SpongeBob hoodie. I got my Arizona hoodie that my friends Dan Laurie got me out in Arizona. And I've got my big winter coat behind me. My sleeping setup tonight is this. So, I've got a fall sleeping bag laying down. I normally do a ground cloth, so there's something between me and the cold tent floor, but with all the wood in here, I didn't think it's a good idea. So I put the sleeping bag down. Then I took the other fall sleeping bag and I laid that on top of it. Then my green air pad, you guys remember from my last camping video, I blew that up, stuck it inside that sleeping bag, then put my zero bag or Robert's sleeping bag on top of it or inside it. So basically I'm sleeping on a sleeping bag with on an air pad inside a sleeping bag while inside a sleeping bag. So I'm sleeping in a zero bag while covered up in my fall bag, and I've got these hand warmers warming up, so I should be good, guys. Oh, it's cool. All right, guys, it's like going on 9 o'clock. I've just been sitting there watching the fire. Just want to show you guys basic little sandwich tonight. Fire's doing an excellent job. I can actually feel the heat coming off that. I got the wood in here for the rest of the night. And I'm just going to sit here and eat, kind of enjoy the night. I'm going to go out and get the fire going a little bit more here soon. Probably get in my sleeping bag and get warm with these hand warmers. Look at that fire going. Can't really see my breath anymore. So, been a lot warmer in here. Sandwich really hits the spot. Kind of nice. Alright, guys. Got some logs thrown on the fire. It's about time to go to bed. You guys see there's still snow on the ground. Maybe we'll wake up with some snow on the ground. Alright, guys, it's like 10 o'clock. I threw a bunch of wood on the fire. I'm inside my zero bag now. Got my hand warmers. It's pretty cold, guys, so plan is see you guys in the morning. Hey, good morning, guys. 7:15 in the morning. I think we got some snow out there. Slept pretty good. I woke up a couple times and there's some coyotes out there. I didn't film it. I just went back to sleep. Well, we got the Pyrenees. We definitely got snow. It's pretty cold, guys. I made it. Thanks for watching.